Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my analysis on the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar CAD never did make an engulfing move to the upside at a fib level, so there was really no reason to really go long in any ways whatsoever. The trend is down on the monthly, down on the weekly, down on the daily, and down on the 4 hour. Now, now that price is closing below the 78%, I mean, I think at this point it probably is going to take out the previous low. So, I mean, unless we get a very significant turn and a break of structure, I definitely would continue doing nothing but looking for sorts on shorter time frames. So what would I be doing? I'd be looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short, one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short, one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short. Unless that 4 hour time frame and above gives us a reason, like a big engulfing move to the upside and a break of structure, I would be continuing to do absolutely nothing on these shorter time frames, but looking for three-way pullbacks to go short for potentially the continuation of the downtrend. As always, the trend is your friend, and you should trade with the trend until the hot market tells you otherwise. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.